Hey, what's up folks, how you doing? ¿Cómo está mi gente? I'm now riding a bike. So far 12 kilometers and something. Today we're going on the lagoon with the name Quiñenco. My tribe is not here because the weather condition doesn't look that pretty much nice, you know, for my baby boy Noah. So here in Concepción, which means all over Chile, we enter into the winter season, and that is why I didn't brought them here, the special Noah. So I'm so far away, you know, from the point we're supposed to be. This lake is beautiful, guys. Here's a little bit cool, 12 right now. Expecting to be like a rain or something. You know what? Yes, you may thinking or ask yourself why, but why, Enrique? Why you choose to go in that weather condition? Well, I'll tell you why. I can't wait. Tomorrow you don't know, guys. Go outside, fellas. Go outside, chicos, and see the beauty of the natural. Mother Nature is out there that is free for each of us, guys, right? So just go enjoy. If you know, you don't have to be, you know, a high-tech, you know, trekker or hikers, you know, to go in the park with your family, go and walk your puppy, and you know, your dogs. That's it, simple. At least see the green color, and that will help you to release the stress and tension off your brain and spirit, bro. And you will come back after that trip. I promise you will come back regenerated and 100% feeling good. All right, guys? So let's see what's going to happen ahead. All right, guys? See ya. Ciao. And we keep going. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Love it. I love it, I love it. Woo. Woo. Bien, folks. Ok, chicos. Casi allí. Llevamos 25 kilómetros. 25 kilómetros. Claro, nos hemos parado un poco haciendo esas buenas tomas para ustedes, chicos, pero ya casi cerca de la meta, casi cerca del lugar. But we start to see the green areas, you know, mountains and forest here and this place around. All right, chicos. All right, folks, we'll see you there, right? Bye. Well, so far, according to the application, we are, let's see, yeah, we are in the, seen that? 31 kilometers, 2 hours and 34. Yeah, that's the distance, you know, and that's the lake. Basically, the lake is right there. So we'll see you know, how all this is gonna look, you know, from the top. We're gonna take some aerial footage, and you know, I'm gonna try to enjoy the view, the moment here in the natural, you know. Hey guys, how was the lake? I bet you like it now. You know, yeah, you won't see that beautiful or at 100% colors. It's because you know they have not too much light. That's why. Okay guys, we gotta keep going, right? Look at that. Poor little buddy. You sure you're okay? Because you look pretty much like you can't fly. What happened to you? Huh? What happened to you? It's okay, it's alright. It's alright. It's okay. Alright, so it's gonna be fine. Looking for a spot for you, you know, to release you. It will be safe. Oh man, that's sad, you know. People throwing so much garbage here. It's a beautiful lake, you know. So gotta be ready, alright? Okay? So you ready for this? Look at this beauty animal. Hey buddy, you ready? There you go. Boom, that's it. And my idea is to just keep going, you know, until the top of the peak of the mountain. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, and you know, give me some comment, you know, guys. Just come and check my channel, man. Cheers, peace, love. Gracias, mi gente. Let's see how that looks from the top. All right, guys, we're finally here The forest is beautiful. It's like an image. You know, let's check the app. Let's see what we got here. 37 kilometers. You know, the elevation is 244 right now. It's not that high, but it's quite beautiful. This is the whole track and the road I've been just doing. You know, you see that red line? That's me. So pretty much from Walpen, you know, coming all the way down to you know, almost Coronel. So you take a detour and you come in here to this beautiful lake, you know, with the name Quiñenco. And yeah, you can come here camping if you want. It's beautiful, guys. You gotta come and see this, you know, seriously. Look at this steep forest, you know, pine forest, you know, long pine forest here. So this pretty much will be the spot, you know, for us. So let's build up the camp. Ah, let's eat in the forest. Beautiful.
We're all falling and we need a place to hide. A safe place somewhere in the woods we can start a fire. All we know is what will be our home. We will stay until the break of dawn.
I hope you like the view, you know, of the forest. It's quite beautiful here. What are you thinking, guys, about this, you know? All right, folks. So I got nothing else to say, guys.
Hit it, hold it, fish it, break it down, coming, smoke 'em down with me.